New house construction, November 8, 2022. Looking at the backyard and the patio. Looks good. This will be the steps inside the dining area. Quartz countertop and sink. Looks great. Pantry. It's going to be more than big enough. Backsplash looks great, but it will go to the ceiling when they get the rest of the tile. Laundry room sink is in. This is in the mud room, seating area. Any additional shelves here that can go up here. Bench. Five-foot ceiling fan looks great. Fireplace looks great. All the lighting is in. The spindles are in for the stairway going to the basement. Heading linen closet, front bedroom, closet, hall bath, everything looks good except they have the wrong collar tile, and they will get that corrected. They're just waiting to find out when. Back bedroom looks good. Closet. Heading to the master. Thermostat right here on this wall. Going to the master bedroom. Master bedroom looks good. Hookups. Decorative wall. Toilet in the toilet room. Shower. Master closet. Canned light. Linen closet for master bathroom. Okay.